All right, fellas, let's talk about something most guys get totally wrong: chasing women. You text her good morning, reply in zero point 0.2 seconds, like every post, and then she loses interest. Ever wonder why the guys who don't seem to care are the ones women chase? It's not magic, it's psychology. Today, I'm breaking down the power of ignoring women and how it makes them obsessed with you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip the script and make her the one chasing you. Let's be real. Most guys think that the more attention they give, the more a woman will like them. Makes sense, right? Wrong. Think of it like this. You ever notice how a cat ignores you until you stop paying attention to it? Suddenly it's rubbing up on your leg, craving your attention. Or that one friend who's always free, always available, doesn't their value feel kinda low? It's human nature. We value what's scarce, not what's always in our face. When you chase a woman, text her constantly, and make her the center of your world, she doesn't see you as a prize, she sees you as too easy to get. And if you're easy to get, you're easy to replace. Now, when I say ignore, I don't mean being rude or ghosting her. I mean creating space, mystery, and a sense of challenge. Here's what happens when you stop constantly reaching out. She starts wondering, wait, why isn't he texting first? She begins checking her phone more, hoping for a message. She starts feeling like she needs to put in effort to get your attention. And boom, that's when she starts chasing. Ignoring works because it shifts the power dynamic. Suddenly, you're the one she's trying to win over. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but won't she lose interest? Not if you do it the right way. Ignoring isn't about disappearing forever. It's about creating a healthy balance where she feels like she has to work for your time. Here's how. Be less available. Don't reply instantly. Give it 30 minutes, an hour, sometimes even longer. If she texts you at night, don't rush to respond. Let her wait a little. Focus on your own life. The best way to make a woman chase you? Have a life outside of her. Hit the gym, build your career, hang out with friends. When she sees you're busy, she'll want to be part of your world. Don't always say yes. If she asks you to hang out, don't drop everything. Sometimes say, I've got plans, let's do another day. This shows that you're not desperate for her time. Match her effort. If she texts one word, don't send a paragraph. If she takes hours to reply, you do the same. Make her feel like she has to earn your attention. Once you start doing this, something amazing happens. She begins initiating conversations, liking and commenting on your posts, trying to get your attention in subtle ways. At this point, you're in control. She sees you as valuable, and that's exactly what creates attraction. But remember, this only works if you truly have self-respect and confidence. If you're just ignoring her, but secretly waiting for her to text, she'll feel it. The secret to making a woman chase you isn't manipulation. It's understanding how attraction works. So stop over-texting, stop chasing, and start living your best life. The more you focus on yourself, the more women will naturally be drawn to you. Now go out there and let her do the chasing. Trust me, it works. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.